Santa Clara County on the state's watch list. But KPIX5's Len Ramirez reports health officials are pushing forward with a new round of reopenings. Len?
That's right. This new plan will allow many small businesses that have been closed over these past few months to reopen, but only if they strictly follow the rules. The county says that coronavirus isn't going anywhere, but this is a plan for living with it.
When it's crystal clear that COVID-19 will be with us for a long time.
Dr. Sarah Cody's new health guidelines for Santa Clara County come at a time when COVID-19 cases are still accelerating here and around the state.
We're all coming to recognize that certain activities just can't be done safely at this time. There are, however, other activities that we can resume in limited ways if we do them with appropriate and consistent social distancing.
Cody outlined the county's plan for moving forward in this new era, which allows for reopening hair and nail salons, tattooing, and other personal care services for the first time. It also allows gyms to reopen. But the plan also requires strict adherence to a new set of operating guidelines, including updating distancing guidelines, capacity limits, positive case reporting, industry-specific directives, and orders businesses to maximize telework when possible.
The goal is to try to set a new normal for what we can expect when we enter any business facility or engage in any kind of activity.
But still closed will be indoor dining, indoor swimming, and large indoor gathering places such as theaters.
Welcome to the new abnormal. This is the way, if we're going to be open, these are the protocols that we're going to have to follow.
One San Jose business leader said the new guidelines place burdens on struggling businesses, but it's better than staying closed.
It's great to hear that the personal care businesses are thumbs up now. There's a lot of people, myself included, haven't had a haircut in 4 months. So great news today.
Now, many of the details are still being worked out, but this plan is scheduled to go into effect on July 13. But there's a big if, and that if is whether or not the state gives Santa Clara County a variance. As you mentioned, Santa Clara County is still on the state's watch list, Alan, so it remains to be seen whether or not they will get the variance, but they're operating as if they will.
Yeah, and I'm sure, Len, a lot of folks are very happy to be able to get a haircut or get your nails done. But the fact is cases are going up. So what's the reasoning for going forward and not erring on the side of caution?
Well, I think this is a reflection of the tremendous pressure that county officials have been feeling since March when they shut things down to reopen businesses whenever possible. And so this is an acknowledgement that this virus isn't going anywhere and we're going to have to live with it. They also noted, however, that Santa Clara County has fewer cases per 100,000 residents than any place in the Bay Area. And so that is a factor that went into their reasoning to allow this step at this time.
Yeah, in that you have done a very good job there. All right, Len, thanks so much.